Before you chase wealth, ask yourself one question. Are you becoming the kind of person who deserves it? In a world obsessed with shortcuts, hacks, and overnight success, the true foundation of lasting wealth often goes unnoticed. Character. Not talent, not luck. Character. Because you can fool the world temporarily, but you can never outrun who you truly are. Today, we're going to explore why integrity builds fortunes while weakness destroys them, quietly, slowly, and inevitably. Stay with me until the end, and you'll discover why the greatest investment you will ever make is not in markets, but in yourself. Money grows where trust lives. You can build fast wealth with cleverness, but you build lasting wealth with character. Success built on deception is a sandcastle, impressive until the tide comes in. But success built on integrity stands firm decade after decade. 1. The power of integrity in business. Integrity is currency, but unlike money, it never depreciates. In business, your word is your bond, your most valuable asset. Long after the ink on a contract has faded, people remember how you made them feel, how you handled the deal, and whether your handshake meant something. Integrity is what sustains relationships when profits fluctuate and markets shift. It's the quiet force behind enduring success, the invisible capital that keeps doors open even when times are uncertain. People with integrity don't just get opportunities, they get repeat opportunities. It's not about luck or timing, it's about trust accumulated over time. When your actions consistently align with your principles, people know where you stand. They don't have to second-guess your motives or watch their back around you. You become someone whose presence signals reliability, and in a world full of short-term thinkers, that's a competitive advantage money can't buy. Doors don't just open for people of integrity, they stay open. A single act of dishonesty can close a door forever, but honesty builds bridges that last a lifetime. Your reputation precedes you. It's the unseen partner in every negotiation and the unspoken voice in every referral. A client might forget the specifics of a project, but they'll never forget whether you were fair, transparent, and honorable in your dealings. Reputation, once earned, compounds like interest. Clients talk, partners talk, teams talk, and reputations travel faster than contracts. Integrity is not a private virtue, it's public currency. Every industry, no matter how vast, has its circles of influence, and word spreads quickly about who can be trusted. One moment of dishonesty can echo for years, while one act of integrity can open doors you never knew existed. Business moves at the speed of trust, and trust moves at the speed of integrity. When you operate with honesty, clarity, and fairness, you attract not just business, you attract respect. People want to work with those who bring steadiness, not chaos, clarity, not confusion. Integrity creates psychological safety in every relationship. Your clients exhale knowing you won't exploit them. Your partners exhale knowing you'll stand by your word. Respect follows naturally, and from respect comes loyalty. And loyalty, more than profit, is what sustains a legacy. Because in the end, integrity is wealth. It's not just moral wealth, it's strategic wealth. It builds teams that trust each other, clients who return, and reputations that outlive market cycles. A person of integrity might not always rise the fastest, but they rise the farthest, and they stay there. Because while talent opens doors, only character keeps them open. 2. Building trust through consistency. Trust isn't created in one moment. It's built in 1,000 small ones. It's not the grand gestures that make people believe in you, but the ordinary acts done reliably, day after day. Each time you keep a commitment, no matter how small, you deposit another layer of credibility. Over time, those small deposits compound into confidence. Trust is the slow accumulation of honesty made visible through behavior. Every time you show up when you say you will, you build trust. Every time you follow through on a promise, even when no one is watching, you build trust. These moments are the true tests of your word. Consistency doesn't need applause. It thrives in the quiet spaces between commitments and completion. It's the difference between being dependable and being dramatic, between being believed and merely being heard. Consistency turns words into credibility. Talk impresses, but consistency convinces. A person's character is not proven in what they declare, but in what they demonstrate repeatedly. When people know they can count on you, uncertainty disappears. They stop wondering whether you'll deliver, they simply expect it. And that expectation is the foundation of influence. People follow those who make reliability feel like a promise fulfilled. In business, consistency is more than professionalism. It's predictability, and predictability is comfort. Clients return not because everything went perfectly, but because they know how you respond when it doesn't. Partners invest not because the path is smooth, but because your principles remain steady when it's rough. Each consistent act reinforces that your integrity isn't situational. It's structural. People don't partner with who you claim to be. They partner with who you prove to be. Inconsistency breeds doubt, and doubt is poison to trust. The most successful leaders are those whose behavior aligns so closely with their values that people stop questioning their intent. When words and actions are indistinguishable, credibility becomes natural. You don't need to convince anyone. Your record speaks louder than your rhetoric. Ultimately, trust is the greatest ROI in business. It lowers friction, accelerates decisions, and fosters collaboration. When people trust you, everything moves faster because they stop guarding themselves. Consistency builds this invisible infrastructure of confidence, and once built, it becomes the foundation of all progress. It's not built overnight, but once earned, it can outlast a lifetime of competition. 3. Making ethical choices under pressure. Character isn't formed when things are easy. It's revealed when things are hard. The true measure of integrity is not how you act when you have everything to gain, but how you behave when you have something to lose. Pressure has a way of stripping away pretense. It shows who acts from principle and who folds under convenience. In those moments, the person you are beneath the surface is laid bare. Anyone can be honest when it costs nothing, but integrity is expensive. It demands sacrifice of ego, of opportunity, sometimes even of comfort. It's easy to justify shortcuts when the stakes are high or the outcome uncertain. Yet that's exactly when ethics matter most. When you choose to do what's right instead of what's easy, you affirm to yourself and others that your principles are not for sale. What separates leaders from pretenders is how they act when integrity has a price. The pretender compromises, rationalizes, and hides behind results. The leader stands firm, even when it hurts. The pretender plays for the short term, the leader plays for the legacy. Pressure reveals priorities, and the person who values reputation over revenue always wins in the end, because credibility compounds while deceit decays. When you choose ethics over ego, principle over pressure, long-term respect over temporary advantage, you rise above average. True success isn't about winning every deal, it's about winning yourself. Each ethical choice you make strengthens your self-respect, and self-respect is the foundation of unshakable confidence. People sense it. They may not articulate it, but they trust those whose actions radiate integrity under stress. Because wealth earned at the cost of integrity is never worth the price. The profit fades, the recognition fades, but the loss of self-trust lingers. Every compromise of conscience chips away at inner peace. And what is success if you can't respect the person who earned it? The Stoics taught that virtue is its own reward, and that's as true in the boardroom as it is in life. To act rightly under pressure is to live freely, unenslaved by greed, fear, or vanity. In the end, integrity under pressure is the truest form of strength. It's what separates the transient from the timeless, the opportunist from the honorable. Business tests you, life tests you, but each test is an invitation to prove that your principles are more than words. When you rise to that challenge, you don't just protect your reputation, you preserve your soul. 4. The long-term rewards of honesty. Dishonesty may pay fast, but honesty pays forever. The temptation to bend the truth for immediate gain is one of the oldest human impulses. Yet the person who resists that impulse, who chooses transparency when deceit would be easier, plants a seed that yields fruit for decades. Every time you choose honesty over manipulation, you are compounding invisible interest in your character account. People might not notice right away. The rewards of honesty are not flashy, but slowly, consistently, the world begins to treat you differently. Your words start to carry weight. Your promises start to matter. The phone rings because someone recommended you. Opportunities appear not because you schemed for them, but because someone trusted you enough to open a door. A reputation for truth creates allies. People want to work with someone who won't hide, exaggerate, or betray. In business, the honest person becomes the one others can rely on when the stakes are high. In friendship, honesty becomes the bridge that keeps hearts connected through storms. In leadership, honesty is the force that turns authority into legitimacy. When you tell the truth, even when it costs you something, you're broadcasting that your principles are not for sale. The world, in return, gives you something no money can buy: credibility. And credibility, once earned, becomes the foundation for a lifetime of influence. Dishonesty, by contrast, is a debt. It offers an illusion of success while secretly charging interest. Lies require maintenance. Each falsehood needs another to sustain it, and soon you are managing a fragile structure that could collapse at any time. Even small lies, the kind told to save face or gain a short-term edge, begin to corrode trust. Once people suspect you of bending the truth, every future statement you make is discounted. Your reputation becomes negotiable. You may win the deal today, but lose the partnership tomorrow. You may gain applause in the moment, but lose respect in the long run. Honesty compounds. Trust compounds. Each truthful action may seem small, even invisible, but over time it builds into something immense. A single honest conversation can repair a relationship. A decade of honesty can build an empire. The most trusted people in the world, those who lead nations, run companies, or guide movements, did not build their reputations overnight. They built them through hundreds of moments when they could have lied, concealed, or misled, but didn't. They sacrificed the easy win for the enduring one. The rewards of honesty are subtle but profound. Peace of mind, strong relationships, repeat business, mentorships, referrals, and loyalty. These are not luck. They are dividends paid by integrity. When people know your word is gold, they bring you opportunities because your reliability multiplies their confidence. They introduce you to their networks because they trust you not to harm them. The honest person becomes a magnet for cooperation, and cooperation is the real currency of progress. In a world filled with noise, spin, and pretense, honesty becomes a rare commodity. It stands out. It commands attention. It carries power. The world, quietly but inevitably, bends toward the person who can be relied on. Success loves those who can be trusted with it. When you build your life around truth, you don't have to chase success. It recognizes you when it sees you. Honesty may not make you rich overnight, but it makes you unshakable forever. And in a world that changes by the minute, that might be the greatest fortune of all. 5. Becoming someone people want to partner with. Real success comes when people say, "I trust you, I believe in you. I want to build with you. These are not empty words. They are the highest compliments one human being can pay another. To be trusted is to have earned something deeper than approval. It means your character has been tested and proven. When people are willing to attach their time, energy, and reputation to yours, it's because they've seen consistency, reliability, and integrity over time. Partnerships are not built on charm or cleverness. They are built on faith in who you are. The wealthiest and most influential individuals on earth are not merely intelligent, they are trusted. Intelligence can impress people, but trust bonds them. You can admire someone's talent and still never want to work with them. But when you trust someone's word, judgment, and values, you want them on your side. Trust converts skill into opportunity. It multiplies the effect of your competence. The people who rise the highest in any field are those others feel safe to bet on. To become someone people want to partner with, you must first master the art of reliability. Do what you say you will do. Show up when you promise to. Follow through without needing reminders. Every small commitment you keep becomes a brick in the fortress of your reputation. Reliability is not glamorous, but it is magnetic. People remember how you made them feel, and nothing feels better than knowing you can count on someone. Next, cultivate ethics. Be fair even when no one is watching. Give credit freely. Admit mistakes quickly. Never sacrifice long-term respect for short-term profit. Ethical people may seem to move slower at first, but they travel farther. They accumulate allies instead of adversaries, goodwill instead of resentment. Over time, those who operate with fairness are surrounded by people eager to see them succeed. Discipline also matters. The disciplined person becomes dependable because their actions are not ruled by moods or impulses. They keep commitments not because it's convenient, but because it's right. This steadiness builds confidence in others. When people know you will stay calm under pressure, think clearly, and act with principle, they naturally want to include you in their plans. You become a stabilizing force in an unstable world. Finally, there is honor, the quiet strength that underlies all great partnerships. Honor means you protect others even when they're not in the room. You refuse to gossip, manipulate, or betray confidences. You don't just seek mutual gain, you seek mutual growth. When people sense honor in you, they relax their defenses. They share ideas freely. They dream bigger in your presence because they know you won't steal their light. Become the person people see as reliable, ethical, disciplined, and honorable. And opportunity will chase you, not the other way around. Doors will open where you least expect them. Mentors will appear. Collaborators will seek you out. In a marketplace flooded with talent, the person who can be trusted stands apart. Success is never achieved alone. It is built through networks of trust. And if you are the one others want to build with, you will never need to beg for a seat at the table. You will be invited to it, because in the end, character is the greatest partnership strategy there is. Jim Rohn said it best. Success is not to be pursued. It is to be attracted by the person you become. Build character, build trust, build yourself, and wealth will follow.